Hi guys, welcome back. So we are back, and today I'm going to give you another method through which you can use different AIs, especially the um, you can say DeepSeek version, which is really faster comparing with the other AIs. So all you need to do is to go to Google and hit face hugging, and here is the first website and AI community building. Okay, so here all you need to do is to click on explore AI, and here you can use different AIs. Now in my case, so for example, right now I'm going to use DeepSight. DeepSight is really amazing, you can use it, and here is some default code, so just remove it. And then I just went to ChatGPT and ask her that, hey, I want to create a social media single page website, kindly just write a prompt for me. So this is the prompt that we are going to use. And yeah, just copy it, a footer with social media icons. There are different thing involves, like create a modern professional single page website for social media marketing business. The design should be a header with a logo, navigation menu like home. There should be services xyz, a hero section, which will contain definitely different things about a section, services section, portfolio section, and all those contact form footers xyz. So let's just copy all of it. I think from here it will be fine, and then just no, not here, just paste it here. Okay, and hit enter. Or you just need to wait up, and you will be amazed that it will start creating a website for you. It is totally depends on your prompt engineering. If you are good at giving commands to AI, then this is going to help you a lot. No, I will not recommend you to use ChatGPT free version for this kind of things. I'll be honest, it is not going to help you on that level. The reason is the ChatGPT free version is a kind of stupid. Yeah, you do not take the command seriously when you instruct it up. Literally it mess up everything. So either you can use the paid version, but I will still recommend you to go with this DeepSeek, which is totally available on huggingface.co. That will literally create everything for you, and it is way more professional. I mean, you can clearly see on the right side, you can literally see the output. The thing is, our website is still not ready yet. It is writing code for us. That's why we need to wait until we get the entire source code. So I'm expecting the source code. Let's wait a bit. Currently it wrote up approximately 190 line of code. Now let's wait a bit, and once it will be completed, yeah, let's wait. No, definitely it will take some time. The reason it is an entire website, and it is a single page website, but I don't think so. It will take more time. Let's wait up, and let's see how it is going to give us those output. The thing is, you can modify the source code if you even have basic knowledge about HTML and CSS. You can literally do modification in the front end code, like changing the headers, changing the data inside it, adding different links up. For example, if you have a service page up, well, it is good simply link it with service section. If you don't have it, then just create the same service page with the help of ChatGPT. Simple is that. Okay, I mean this service that we are currently using, and yeah, at the end you can just add more things. We will be modifying this code, so just stay with me once we get the entire code. After that, it will be really easy for us to do some modification if you have basic knowledge about HTML CSS thing. And after that, what you can do, even though you can make it more good, just add JavaScript, like just as the same AI to make it user friendly for mobile, as well as enable JavaScript and all those things in your code, and then it will be working way more good in mobile applications. So let's I think it is completed, and as you can see, literally it is really really amazing. No, is if you hire a professional developer from from different freelancing platforms, he or she is going to charge you a lot for this page, I'll be honest. Now here you can do some modification. Let's copy the entire code, and let's I've already created some. Let's paste it here, and after pasting it, first of all, let's save it. Let's name it social media. Yeah, social media that HTML will be fine. And here we need to do some modification. For example, 2023 all right received, just copy it up and then search it up here from 2023, just make it to 25, and you can literally add your own company name. For example, it will be, it could be your individual name, it doesn't matter at all that much. And moreover, you can literally change the phone details and all those things. For example, let's search on it. Let me add my one, my WhatsApp one plus 92. mm, Okay, that is great. Let me pull out some of my details from my official site. Okay, all right. So, yep. If we talk about the location, okay, I think this will be fine. I'm not sure, but this should be okay. And here one more thing we need to do some modification. Here you can add your own email address. For example, contact will be fine. Contact at the rate MasaudSec.com. And what really we need to do after that, let's see what possibly we can do. You can change the color, the font of the data inside it. Yeah, you can even though change the names of the yep, you can change even though the data inside it. For example, if you copy it and search for it, you can clearly see. Okay, you can create other reviews and edit. You can just change the name, let's say. hmm yeah, you can even though change the photos, it's totally up to you. After that, what possibly we can do, if you have your portfolio, you can just edit. No, it's totally up to you how you are doing this thing. Like you can see, we just need to upload the source. Okay, this is how it works. And moreover, you can add more services if you want. Just give instruction to the same AI. I mean, it will do everything. Even though if you are not good at writing the code, what possibly you can do, just uh, paste your command or write your prompt here, and it will further enhance it. No, let's say in my case, I'm going to change this about, let's say, MasaudSec. Okay, 5 years of experience, well, grow, H and everything. This is just another thing that we can possibly. I think we do not have a time to mess with it further. but all you can do is to play with it. Okay, you can change the mm, yeah, there are so many things. Let's see how it works.